So, Man Cave, as I'm in the caravan, there's Mrs. Man Cave wiping my hat. And here is Swanton Morley 2022 Rally. I'm actually filming this intro last because I've already filmed the rest of it. Hence why here I'm in my coat, because I've just got back from watching the tractors leave on the tractor run. But yes, let me stitch all this together, edit it. You guys can see it on Monday. Enjoy. Roll the credits. Welcome to the Man Cave. Let the games begin. Swanton Morley Show 2022. We're here to see the horticultural stuff, and we'll have a look round the engines. I do like this old horticultural stuff, I must admit. The lovely John Deere's are lovely. Oh, little John Deere LA, isn't that lovely? Look at that. That is a lovely little thing. It's nice to see the youngsters getting involved. Mum and Dad and the kids, lovely to see. Now look at this rare beast come here. John Deere 185. Look at that. That's a rum tool, isn't it? Like a ride-on connected to a ride-on. And a lovely little 755 there. Now a John Deere in yellow. That's a bit different. Look at that bad boy. Another little John Deere. And then one of my favourite setups, 3 crawlers, all joined together, yet the guy drive it from the middle one. And I can never understand how that front one go where he wanted to go, because they're only held together with canvas straps. Yes, I find that very fascinating, how that front one will go exactly where he wants it to. I don't get it, but I like it. Let's have a closer look at him. We'll have a look round the tractors in a little while, but we just want to see if you guys can work out how this works. Held together with canvas straps, like no control cables. Yeah, that go where he wanted to, from driving in the middle. Same with the back one, look. I can never work that out. Little Jacobson Jeep. Look like it's got an 8-horse cooler on there, very nice. There's a Jap Model 4 look like running on this one. It's even got a little linkage on the back of that. And here's one powered by a Jap 5 there, 3-wheel farm truck. That in the back there looked like a piston out of a Marshall, I'm guessing. Ah, big old chainsaw in there as well. And we have what looked like some sort of army machine. Whether it be amphibious, I'm not sure. Look like 4-wheel stairs. Even got a little 3-point linkage on the back. That's a little cute one as well. Look at that. Little man is having a ride in the back as well. You know me and John Deere's, I'm a sucker for a John Deere. Complete with the plough and John Deere trailer. little 110. And here comes that lovely little LA. Look at him. Ain't he lovely? I do like the LA. That is lovely. Looks like he's running a bit rich. There we go. Here are the wheel horses. That'll have a 12-horse Briggs and Stratton. This one's got a little Briggs as well. Commander 7, look. Do you remember Man Cave got a couple of them? Here we have that ride on. I think Mama's now took over. There you go. She took over the driving. That's a lovely little tractor. Nicely done, that. I like that. Same with it. Alright, there we go. So, that's Man Cave at the show. We will have a look around the engines in a little while. But let's start this end and we'll have a look at the tractors. Now, apparently, this tractor here. Yeah, look at this bad boy. Now they tell me this thing, how much did they say that was? £425,000, it's brand new, and apparently there's a 2-year waiting list to get one. So yes, farmers complain hard up, yet they afford these things. It makes you laugh. There we go, some lovely machines here. Oh, lovely selection of John Deeres. You know me and John Deeres. Now that's a big machine for an old 4755, look. She's a big one. Hang on, what do I spot round the other side? Let's go past the John Deeres and follow this Marshall. The distinctive sound. If you're wondering why a Marshall sounds like that, now listen at it. It's because they are 2-stroke diesel, single cylinder. I kid you not. The fluted exhaust is a sign that's Mark II, I think. And you can also tell by the wheel hubs as well. We will just follow this Marshall. And hopefully he'll change his throttle so you can hear that distinctive sound. There she is. Look at that. Absolutely lovely sound. He's now going out the gate where the steam stuff is. So we're going to go back round and we'll have another look at these tractors. Where did we go to? Hang on. We might as well start at all of them. Shall we do a total tour of the show? Well, we'll start off with a Z-Tour. Now remember, I think these were Czechoslovakian or something, like the Skoda of tractors back in the day. I remember there used to be a dealership in King's Lynn where they sold Z-Tour tractors. Now, he might have even assembled them there, I'm not sure, but they used to be a bit of a laughing stock, Z-Tour, because they were like the cheap of the cheap. Oh, lovely old Ford 460, I think. Listen to this. Listen to that Major. She has been fully restored. And what a lovely restoration that is as well. Listen to that 6-cylinder. Absolutely gorgeous. Little Massey 135. This is a late predecessor of the old grey Fergie. Just had quite a few modifications, but a lot of the underpinnings are the same. But there you go, little David Brown. She's a nice little unit as well, isn't it? Look at that. Look like these. Are you now going around the ring?
No, we're now heading home.
Oh, you're going home, are you?
17 miles to go.
Oh, 17 mile on it.
Yeah.
You'll get there at 12 mile an
We'll
hour.
get there all right, but it's the weather we're a bit. The cold up for it anyway. We've had a good time.
Are you back tomorrow?
Not sure yet.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, dude, take care.
Ta-da, mate. Well, there goes the little Massey. That gentleman was just saying he's now going to drive that 17 miles home. He got his wax jacket on, because here in Norfolk, while the rest of the country is probably in 30-degree heat, here in Norfolk, yesterday we had 34 degrees, we were sweating, t-shirts, I was unloading stationary engines and I was too hot. Today, I wish I'd have brought my coat with me. And it's overcast and it's been raining. Now look at this beast. Can't say I've ever seen this before. Look at that big V8 Cummins in there. That is V8 in it. We've got a bank of 4 this side, and I'm assuming if we come round this side there's another bank of 4. There is another bank of 4, so we've got a V8 in there. Oh, isn't she lovely? She is a blooming huge machine. Look at the size of that thing. There's a little grey Fergie with the cab. Another grey Fergie, Allis B by the look of it. A Nuffield 1060. A very popular tractor as well back in the day. Popular workhorses. There's a Power Major. Very nice indeed. Another grey Fergie. You have the McCormick. She's nice and all. This one's nice. I like the little bug eyes on the front. I do like the little bug headlights on this Major. There you go. She's a Major diesel. Several Major diesels. You just heard the Nuffield start up. Another selection of John Deere's. What we got over the back here? Let's have a look around this horticultural stuff. I can't show you all the tractors because there's a lot of them which are duplicated. Well, here we go. Here's the little horticultural ones we've just seen going around the ring. A lot of these you've seen around the ring, some you haven't. There's them 3 crawlers that now have mysteriously unlatched themselves. Yeah, they're all still running. And lovely little exposed valves in there. Very nice, isn't it? There's that 3-wheel jack. Let's have a look at this. There you go. There's what that is. If you want to see what that is, you can pause it. There we go. Colour range. Never heard of it before. Unusual though. 3-point linkage on the front and again on the back. Very different. Here's the little array of John Deere's we just saw. That little LA. I should love that thing. There's that piston. Yeah. Look like I have a Marshall, and I'm assuming that's the valve as well, which has embedded itself into the top of the piston. And look at that for a chainsaw. You've never seen a saw like that, have you? Crikey, that's a big chainsaw. Is this piston out of a Marshall? Is that out of a Marshall, Brady? That's what? What's this out of then?
B16 diesel.
Is it?
Yeah, so that's another 15 in there. That's about 5.7 litres of load.
What's that, a marine engine or?
Well, I did fit them in all sorts. I fit them in trains.
Oh! Oh yeah, the old freight trains and that, yeah. Turns
I'm
out.
not quite sure about that particular one.
Yeah.
But they did do it, and they did use that type of engine in a big.
A lot of the American trains had V16s in, didn't they?
Well, I don't know, but what I'm saying is that this is
Oh,
It was on the generator.
oh, was it?
Well, we had 6 generators
Ah.
like that.
Yeah.
That's a lie. We had 2 like that and 4 other types of generators.
Yeah. That's a hell of a... I think she went with a clatter when that went, didn't
Well,
it?
not necessarily, so I didn't worry too much because I've got another 15 there working.
Yeah, true, yeah.
I did say, I mean, obviously the alarms went off because we had the engines were all alarmed.
Yeah.
You see,
Showing you they had a fault there somewhere.
Well,
Yeah.
The engine used to, that weighed about 35 tons.
Did it really?
Well, the engine did.
Yeah.
35
Well, I
ton.
ain't got no photograph there now, if I got the blame. With the whole thing with the engine on a frame
Yeah.
and with the alternator on was about 45 tons.
Oh, crikey. She was a big one.
750 RPM.
5.7 litre out of that one cylinder. There we go. Amazing, isn't it?
I think that's a 10-inch bore and a 12-inch stroke.
Is it really?
If my memory serves me right.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Right,
Ta-da. Well, there you go. That piston was 5.7 litre displacement. It did not come out of a Marshall. It came out of a, you didn't hear the guy, it came out of a General Electric V16 generator. So there were 16 of them cylinders. What he said, a 10-inch bore and a 12-inch stroke. And the engine alone weighed 35 tons, and the engine with the generator and frame was 45 tons. So that's what that piston was out of. Anyhow, we got the massive Furgusons. There we go. Right, you got the grey Fergies. 10 extra points if anyone can tell me why some were gold and some were grey. Well, there you go. Time's up. The gold ones were normally diesel, but not all of them were gold. The grey ones were normally petrol. But that was only on the light. Now, here we go. Here's another Marshall. This is your grey Fergie. Listen to this Marshall. There you go. There you go. And yes, that's not camera shaped, the whole tractor is bouncy. She's bouncing because she's single cylinder, 2-stroke diesel. It's got a cylinder go this direction. Now you can start these one or two ways. You can either unscrew this bad boy here, you can either unscrew that, put a shotgun cartridge in it, screw it back up and then hit that little pin with a hammer, boom, and that fire the engine over. And that's no bullshit, that's what that's for, you put a gun cartridge in there. But to start with, you have to undo that nut on the front, and that's like a glow plug in your modern motor. You undo that nut, you put a fag paper in there, or a bit of tinder, you light it till that glow, put him back in, do him up, and then you've got your starting procedure of either hitting that, or putting a crank handle in here. So there are procedures to do it. This arrow there, that's a timing mark, and you have to line that up with a mark on the flywheel. And once you've got that lined up, you know your compression's right, you do your decompressor with the handle, decompress, that should go. Or, like I say, you put your cartridge in there, tap in with a hammer, and off she goes. Aren't they beautiful? No electric start on them bad boys. And on a cold morning, if them buggers didn't go, they weren't going to do. But yeah, everybody loves the Field Marshal. Some David Browns. That's how a lot of these tractors are duplicated, so we're not going to look around them all. We'll just have a brief run.
Parade now before the road run.
Oh.
So if the tractor drivers could get back to the tractors and get them fired up, we will start the parade.
Oh, did you hear the man on the commentary now saying the tractors are now going to go around their run? How you doing, mate? So, yes, they're going to go on the round the ring, then they're going to go on a run. Let's go have a look at these engines. Now then, I'm here with two engines. I've got my Ruston and I've got my Lister B. The tank cooled one. The Ruston's not playing ball. It's been a bugger. It would not start this morning. I tried 3 spark plugs, 2 lots of fuel. Would not have it. No, it would not have it. So we'll have a little brief look at the engines. I'm not going to talk you guys through all of it. This is where I fall over, getting my leg over the gate. There we go. Right, we're in the engine pen. Lister D, Petter A1, Wolseley WD2. Lovely little Petter M, man, that lovely. Little PB3 Ruston. Now that's a nice, this is noteworthy. Big Ruston diesel, I can't remember what they call these, but that's very, very nice. And also very, very heavy. IBSH, look. Lovely big engine. Going from a big diesel to a tiny little Fairbanks. Isn't that beautiful? Little Fairbanks open crank. There's some lovely open crank stuff here. Lovely hit and miss. There we go. There's Jeff, you know him. He don't like being on YouTube. There's his 3 Rustons.
Right, here we go.
Lister D. Ruston PB. Empire. That's an unusual one. Probably an American import, I'm guessing. There's a lot of American open cranks. Hit and miss as well. Very nice. Nicely restored as well. Next to the Petter A1. Let's have a look. We got a few open spaces here. Now that's how my PB should be running, and it's not running like that today. It's refusing to go. Another little WD2 with a little corn grinder. And the good old Lister Junior. That is nice. Look at that nice big hopper tool one. She's a lovely unit. Another little Wolseley, another little Petter A1. There's something a bit unusual. This is a Wolseley, but it's a WD1. You don't see them very often. Smooth hopper. And when Wolseley made these, they realised that they were overheating a bit. They were running too hot. So for the WD2 and WD8, they put the rib topper in. Another Lister D, a little Petter, Lister Petter AA1, and a BAM Ford. You can't beat a BAM Ford. There, Armstrong Sibley diesel. Look at this bad boy. This was running a little while ago.
The little 35.
There's our engines. That looked like father has shut them down, but there's our pump. So this one's been running faultlessly all day. This one would not play ball. Been a little sod. There we go. A friend Dave's lovely little McCormick, look, isn't that lovely? And his Lister Junior, running really well. Roots and Stratton's Z engine, don't see them very often. And a Petter A1. Oh, I am a sucker for small engines. Look at that, I am a sucker for small engines. Look at that. That is a little work of art. I absolutely love that. Here we have another international harvester. That's governor run, that. Not open crank. Looks it, but it isn't. The stable of every cement mixer and farm machine about, the LD1. Another little PR Ruston, very nice. There's an interesting little gen set, look, a little 2S model Jack. You know what's a 2S? Because that's got an oval petrol tank, where the 2A had a round petrol tank. They fitted the oval petrol tank so they had a longer running time because they had more fuel capacity. This looked like a little Stuart Turner, little marine engine. They were used a lot on Thames boats. Very nice. I had one once and that's a touch unreliable. Another one, the Lister D, with its pump. Oh, look at this. Here we have a fire pump. Isn't that very nice? Trailer mounted with its original. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for letting me have a look. That's very nice, isn't it? That's a bit unusual. Yeah. Look at the lovely brass hoses we've got there. She run really quiet and really nicely. And don't she shift the water. This pickup pipe must be 4 inches. That is a really nice little machine, that. There we go. There's our engines from the inside. That pump is moving some water. Centrifugal pumps, they always did move a lot of water. I would love to see this thing running. Maybe that'll be going tomorrow. If you guys want to see the tractors go round the ring, well, hey, you had enough of this video. You've probably had enough of me waffling on, haven't you? Because you got the man on the tannoy trying to talk, or I'm trying to talk over him.
Another little TE20.
Yep.
Another TVO.
TVO. These tractors are all going on a tractor run in a minute.
55, 56.
I wonder if we should wait for the gate and see them all off.
Furguson.
Shall we do that?
That little
Yeah, why
engine,
not?
that was the same engine in this tractor as what they used
Hang
to
on.
fit in the
I
standard
think the
tractor.
guy is now going to move that Marshall. So let's have a look at that Marshall. See if he'll give her a little rev for us so you can hear that distinctive sound.
Another 135 Furguson.
Well, there's 2 Marshalls on the go. There's one.
Little industrial one. You used to know all the industrial ones because
There you go, isn't that lovely?
grey and yellow. I don't know really why because
There he goes. There's the grey Fergie. There we go. There. Give her a little rev, mate. There we go. That's what we all want to hear with a Marshall, isn't it? Thank you very much. Oh, listen to that. Beautiful. There ain't a tractor sound like that. Absolutely brilliant little machines. So nice. Anyhow, we get carried away with Marshall talk. That'll be a long while before Man Cave can afford a Marshall in his collection. Because they are a lot of brass now. Anyhow, there's the tractor. We will wait for the gate and see if we can see these tractors leave on their run. and hopefully we can see a marshal take off up the road in a plume of diesel smoke. So there we go. Unfortunately, this is Saturday. I'm not going to post this video until Monday because I have zero mobile internet on Swanton Morley playing field. So unfortunately, I can't post this on the day I'm filming it. So you guys are going to have to wait till Monday. And I hope you can hear me over this lovely man on the tannoy. There you go. I'm sure you'd rather listen to him than listen to me. Anyhow, we're going back to the engine pen. This is 29 minutes, so 30 minutes of, yes, Man Cave walk around the Swanton Morley show.
A lot of these came out as a contractor model.
So this show, yeah, I would say it's on tomorrow. Come and have a look, but you're not going to see this until the show is all over, unfortunately. So you have a look at the motorbikes there, many motorbikes.
The end of these went on to thrashing drums and all belt machines.
There we go, there's a tent moving on its own over there. That's something you don't see every day. A gazebo walking itself. There we go. Let's have a look at the bikes. Look like we've got a bandit here. Yep, we have a bandit. Very nice. Honda Melody. Oh God, you don't see many of them anymore. That looked like some form of speedway bike with a BSI engine. Another BSI Honda C90. The Yamaha equivalent. Is this a little Bantam? That is a little BSI Bantam. There's a Harley. Electra Glide. Now look at that for a big bad boy. Very nice. And I think there's some cars over here. I think I can spot a Reliant kit, which is basically a three-wheel Rialto with four wheels. I'm sure this is what it is. I'm going to look a total fool if it isn't, but I'm 99.9% sure that this is a Reliant kitten. You can tell the shape of the Rialto. Remember that little pickup I got? Same bonnet, but it's four-wheeled. It is, look, it is a Reliant kitten. A fellow YouTuber who runs a channel called Hubnut, he has a kitten. And look at this. A Subaru Brat pickup truck. I remember when I was a kid, virtually every local farmer had one of these damn things. You never ever see them anymore. And considering that buck is original, she's had another floor welded in it and a bit in the bottom of that bulkhead and a patch on the wheel arch, but apart from that it looks remarkably original in there. Obviously that's been painted on the outside, but what a lovely, lovely truck. So nice to see, and the quality of the respray this has had is not bad at all, if I'm honest. Considering that's an old pickup, that's had a really nice respray. And looking down the sides, if it did have any dings or dents that have all been took out, she looks straight as an arrow, the old girl. Really nice truck, that. Anyhow, that's it. I'm sure there'll be more here today because the forecast is better for tomorrow. There'll be more here today. There'll be more here tomorrow than today. There we go. So we're going to go. And I'll try and get these tractors all even on their run. So, for now I'm going to say bye-bye. And hopefully we'll be back to see these tractor runs. Right. Bye-bye for now.
Fantastic that they made everything that was needed on the tractor bar the rubber cores. A nice example of the International McCormick.
As promised, we're back. I'm out of the hat now, I've got my coat on. The tractors are now lining up in convoy to go on their road run. So next time you see me, I'll be standing somewhere in the gate, the other side of the bottle banks, watching these things go. They should be leaving in about 20 minutes, but I shan't leave you hanging on that long. Right, back in a minute. Right, man cave, as it looks like the tractor run is now leaving as promised. You've seen all these tractors around the ring. Like I say, this video will be posted on Monday. Here they come. It's enough of me waffling on. I'll just let you watch all of these go. Little grey Fergie going. Little Dexter. Little grey Fergie. Diesel. Rusty's up the road, boy. There you go. There you go. Well, we got, wait, hey, oh, we got some contenders tagging on the bomb handler. I think there's some come out of the back gate here. Why is there a Sprinter? Hello! Hang on, I think we've got another tractor coming here. Oh, and we seem to have some congestion in Swanton Morley. I bet there's a motor up there what to get past. There is, look, there's a car up there wanting to get past. Oh, there we have delays. We have delays, we're all waiting. Let's be back when they get moving. They're off again. Oh, Greta Thunberg would love all this smoke rolling across this field. Love it. There you go. That little guy got chucked against the cab. I think there's a car want to get in now. Honestly, automobiles, who wants them? We're here to see the tractors, not Suzuki Altos. There we go. Well, he cut my hedge while he's at it. He got his flail on the back. There we go, lead away. Go on, St. John. And we hear the marshal. There you go, I've been waiting to see him leave. Oh, they're rolling out thick and fast now. I think there's 3 more. Oh no, there seem to be more coming around the back end, look. Go on, boy, get another gear. There you go. on, Alice. That's reverse, mate. Ooh. He's away. He got a gear. Rusty's up the road now. Yeah, there you go. They're coming thick and fast. Hello! I got some horns on the back of the tractor. Love it. There we go. I do like them horns. I think we've got some more to come. Back in a minute. There we go. I think he's going the other way, look. We have a straggler. I think he's going home. Oh, I see that massive thing with a V8 Cummins come here. Got a lovely John Deere with a 6-cylinder. So nice. There's that V8. Oh, listen to that. And I don't mean this Peugeot Boxer either. Right, I think that's it. That is tractor run. They have all departed. They have all left. So I think if I don't get run over, we can be getting on. So yes, that's it. We're now going back to the caravan. Classic motorcycle. There. So that's the tractor run. And they will be back in about 1 hour, I'm guessing. Something like that. I can't believe what the weather's like today. 34 degrees it was yesterday. Today it's about 14. I got my coat on. I had my hat earlier. I've now got my hood up, look. This is bad. I look like Leonard Hofstadter off the Big Bang Theory, don't I? No. Never mind. Right, I'm off. Back to the rally village, Swanton Morley Village Hall. Look at that place. Yes, so I'm back over to the caravan. And there goes my mate Jeff in his truck. He hate going on YouTube. Don't you, Jeff? You hate it. Right, I'm off, guys. I'll do another video tomorrow and hopefully the weather will be better. I shall speak to you next time. Bye bye for now. Ha ha!